Hey there, everyone. It's Ms. Officer, your advocate and guide through the maze of the criminal justice system. Today, we're diving into a critical topic: the most common way felons get caught possessing guns. Felons facing firearm charges is a significant issue, and understanding how these situations typically unfold can be crucial. So let's break it down. First and foremost, the most common way felons get caught with guns is through traffic stops. That's right, a simple traffic violation can quickly escalate. Another common scenario is when felons get caught through routine database checks. During traffic stops or other interactions, officers get dispatched to run background checks. If a felon has a firearm registered in their name or linked to them in any way, it can lead to an arrest. Felons also get caught during investigations unrelated to firearms. For example, if police are investigating a drug-related offense or another crime and they find a firearm during a search, it can lead to an arrest. Believe it or not, social media can also be a pitfall. Posting photos or videos with firearms, even if they're just for show, can attract the attention of law enforcement. They monitor these platforms and can use the posts as evidence. Take John, for instance. He was pulled over for a broken taillight. The officer noticed he was unusually nervous and decided to have dispatch run a background check. Finding out John was a felon, the officer asked to search the car. John consented, and a firearm was found under the seat. This traffic stop, which seemed minor, led to an arrest for John. Now consider Maria. She was stopped for a minor traffic violation. The officer ran her name through the database and found out she had an open warrant and a previous felony conviction. During the stop, the officer spotted a gun lying on the passenger seat next to her purse. This led to her arrest. Even though Maria wasn't using the firearm, its mere presence was enough to charge her. Then there's the case of Tom. Police were investigating a burglary in his neighborhood. They had a warrant to search his house for stolen goods. During the search, they found a firearm. Tom, being a felon, was immediately charged with illegal possession of a firearm, on top of the ongoing burglary investigation. Lastly, let's talk about social media. Felons need to be extremely cautious about what they post online. Jessica, a felon, posted a video on Instagram showing off her new gun. Law enforcement agencies monitor social media for such activities, and it wasn't long before they paid her a visit. This resulted in her arrest and a new set of charges. Now, I know many of you are looking for a fresh start. If you or someone you know is struggling with a criminal record in Harris County, Texas, I've created a powerful resource just for you. My 10-step DIY Erase Your Criminal Record Guide is designed to help you navigate the process of sealing or expunging your Harris County criminal record. It's comprehensive, easy to follow, and it can change your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit. Stay informed, stay safe, and stay empowered. This is Ms. Officer, signing off.